how to add a Google search bar to the home screen on your Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add the Google search bar widget to the home screen on your Samsung phone, so then you can just select it and start searching on Google very quickly. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to add the Google search bar to your home screen on your Samsung phone. But first, we need to make sure that we have the Google app on our Android phone. So to do that, open up the Google Play Store, then just select the search icon, and then at the top, type Google. And when Google comes up, select it. And if it says open, that means you already have it. But if it says install, go ahead and install it. Once you have it installed, go to your home screen and you just want to long press a blank area where there are no icons. And once you see this new menu, select widgets. Then at the top, just type Google. You'll see Google come up, select Google. And then there you go. We can see that little search bar right there. Go ahead and long press that. And when you do, it's going to show you your home screen and you can drag and select where you want to have your Google search bar. So I'm just going to put it right there. Once you're done, select a blank area of the home screen again, and that will save it. And now if I select that on my home screen, I can now go directly to Google and start searching. That's how you add a Google search bar to the home screen of a Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.